Come test drive the 2019 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, outside temperature gauge, remote trunk release, dual exhaust, wheel covers, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.